Hey guys, let's integrate LM Studio, your local LM host, with n8n to build privacy-first AI workflows. No OpenAI API keys required. So guys, step number 1. You need to launch LM Studio API server. So guys, open LM Studio, go to the Developer tab, and ensure the OpenAI compatible API is enabled. Also make note of the server URL, and use your browser or curl a specific address to verify the models first. After that, step number 2, set up HTTP request node in n8n. So create a new n8n workflow, add HTTP request node, then configure it. You need a method, URL, and headers. After that, guys, step number 3 is going to be adding n8n LangChain LLM node. So firstly, add basic LLM chain or OpenAI chat model node from the n8n LangChain bundle. Select your HTTP credential, token placeholder, set the base URL to your LM Studio API host, specify the model name as returned from LM Studio, and build your prompt using chat trigger or set node preceding it. After that, just run and verify. You can execute your workflow now. If successful, the output panel will display a response object similar to standard OpenAI format, model response, completion tokens, etc. LM Studio logs will show incoming requests as well. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you connect LM Studio with n8n using local LLMs without sending anything to the cloud. Now you can build AI workflows with total data privacy. If this helped, like and subscribe for more automation tutorials, and let me know what you'd like next.